Alright guys, we passed the challenge. In this video, I'll be breaking down 4 key points that will improve your trading and be the reason why I make $13,000 to $15,000 on my funded account. So let's get into the video. Number 1 is goal setting. My plans on the funded account is to make $13,000 to $15,000. Usually you don't want to make money goals or set money goals, but I already showed myself by passing the challenge, I can make 8%, 5%, and equal 13,000. So why not just repeat the same process? With that in mind, I'm still making character trait goals. If you're a beginner, don't make money goals, but implement the character trait goals. Me setting my own character trait goals is the reason why I'm not withdrawing for 2 to 3 months, so I can get to that $13,000 to $15,000 threshold. And with that, I'm more so just trying to build my discipline and the belief I can consistently bring in returns through risk management and executing the strategy. When I take a loss, I handle it in certain ways that we'll talk about later in the video. So that's my money goal, and that's my character trait goal that I'm using to work in Confluence. Number 2, understanding the philosophy behind to have or to be. I am a profitable trader equals to have versus I don't overtrade, I follow my system, and with that, I bring in small, consistent returns equals being/becoming the profitable trader to achieve your goals. Number 3, handling losses. I will be publishing a new journal with my exact framework that I use as a roadmap to get profitable. Other than that, so when it comes to handling losses, I want to show you guys strictly from the dashboard so you guys can see the calendar and see exactly where I'm operating from and how I'm looking at it and viewing it. So what you guys can see is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all losing days. I had to just sit with this. You got to contain yourself. You're going to feel it, but it's not about not feeling it. It's about being able to manage it. Feel your emotions, observe your emotions, process your emotions. If you just feel your emotions and then you blow up because you don't know how to control your emotions, you won't be able to make it through times like this. What I had to do was say, okay, am I following my system? Yes, I'm following my system. This is a strategy loss. Cool. I'm going to stick with the system. Wednesday, I had no trades. I'm thinking now, dang, the week is about to end. I only have really 1 day left. And what a coincidence. That 1 day we capitalized off of. We took a $3,000 win. That $3,000 win cleared our Tuesday loss and then our Tuesday prior week's loss. This was a break-even trade, so it wasn't like a loss like that, but technically we still lost profits. And then Thursday we lost like 286. I was at the initial balance when I took these losses, so I went right back down to 50 or to 100k, and I was like, okay, now I got to restart. But stayed with it. I took this trade, came in. Tuesday came, took another trade. We came in on Wednesday, smacked it, $2,000 win, and we went on. We took our profits, and that was all we needed. This is how you handle losses. I went on a losing streak. I still was able to come out of it within the next a week and a half, really, because Thursday's when we took the winner. Thursday next week, so really just a week. I was able to clear my losses, get in profit, and stay in profit, and pass the challenge. That's what it's all about. It's all about being the best loser. And if you haven't bought that book, go buy that book by Tom Hoggard, because he's just like an amazing trader. So now I'll be breaking down my trades with you guys. Mind you, I'm only going to be breaking down just my one high quality setup I use to pass the challenge, and I'll be using to build this new account. So you guys can see on my trading view chart, price is at its lows. So this is before session. This is gold. It's not NQ or US or S&P. So I trade at 8 o'clock in the morning. Price comes right here at the lows. It's bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. What I see is price never closed right here. And when it did close, it went down and went up, which is a fake breakout. So price stayed right here. Price went up because it did like a little consolidation around the level, the 5-minute level, but it ultimately ended up breaking out and then giving a supply and demand zone. Price never pulled back right here. I was looking for this pullback. I remember this literally like I'm in the trade right now. It was pulling back and then it never touched. And I was like, dang, I'm trying to pass the challenge. I want to get this done with. You know what I'm saying? I hate, I've been going up, been going down, been going up, been going down. So now I'm like, okay, I need a trade. Crude oil was setting up, but I wasn't really looking for crude oil. Price went up again. And I was like, it's a 1 candle push. And I know I always say this, you guys don't take the 1 candle pushes. But in this case, since price, I wasn't anticipating the breakout because it wasn't already broken past this level. Usually I'm looking for a price to do this, go up, and then right here, give us that pullback to this low. But price never did that because it already gave us a breakout right here. So we don't have to do that since we already have a 5-minute breakout. And I know I said one setup, but I'm showing you guys 2 setups within one because really all you need to do is add your pre-session highs and lows levels, put 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. right here for gold specifically, and then just wait for price to either break from these levels, like I just showed you guys, like right here, push up and then pull down and retest, or it'll break out from a 5-minute trend line break, and then you'll get these zones around these areas, and then price will go up, pull back, go up, pull back, and then you can anticipate the highs, which is this pattern right here. You guys can see price, this is the high, price came down and it went up and created this head, and these are the shoulders. What we see is a head and shoulders at a pre-session low, meaning that price is looking to reverse, and it's probably going to fill that pattern in. So we're waiting, we're just looking for pullbacks. We're looking for pullbacks to give us that zone so we can take that entry. We're already looking to buy, but we're just needing that entry signal. So what do we get? You guys see right here at this candle, at this zone, price gives us our entry, price gives us a bullish candle at the zone, and we take our trade for a nice 2 to 1. If you guys got any value from this video, subscribe, take risks.